Hi, my name's Will Burns, and I want to tell you about my new channel. It's going to be about my cats, and we're going to play some fun games. What we're going to play is maybe some Happy Wheels, Amnesia, Slender, more other games. So I'm going to tell you about my new channel, and hopefully you can like, comment, subscribe to my channel. But we're going to talk about that later. So I want to show you about my cats and everything that I'm going to do, and play some fun games, like I said. Some videos are going to just be me, just talking around, just being silly. Well, here's some cats. This is one of my cats. Her name is Allie. And she likes to play with the laser. She is a very flexible animal. And most likely ugly. Ugly. Why are you so lazy? And this is one of my male cats, Biggin. We call him Biggin because look at him. Just look at it. He's also not that flexible, but he gets the job done. He irritates Allie, and sometimes make her hiss, and you don't want to see her hiss. Because let me tell you why you do not want to see her hiss. Roar. Biggin also likes to play with his toy mouse, so let me show you. It's just a little thing, so whenever you hit it, it squeaks. Well, he's more irritated than thought. Hey, Allie will play with Bibi. Hey. Never mind. Or, you might play PS3 games. Maybe Modern Warfare 3, some Mercenaries, Sniper Elite. Well, Rob Band won't work. Max Payne, CSI, Modern Warfare 2, and Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Some Rango, Black Ops, maybe The Sims, or we might play some Wii games, which I have. But we're not going to play it till later in the year. So, like I said, cats. Well, I'm going to leave the video right now. If she don't get in my way. If you want to see more videos of that ugly cat, like, comment, or subscribe. Okay. Or just send me a private message if you want to. Nice. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you can continue watching my videos and like, comment, subscribe. But like, this is my It's going to be a while for my channel to get up and running, but hopefully you stay tuned for the next episode. Bye. Woo!